Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to insert symbols on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert the symbols in your Canva sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. So if you just go to the action button here, you can't find any symbols here. So if you just go to the element here, you can find something, but for an example, just need a lambda symbol or a pi symbol. Just type as pi here and just search here, so you can find like a graphics. But if you just need to insert a symbol directly, you can just use Windows shortcut, Windows key, press the Windows key on your keyboard with dot symbol. So this will open the, you can see tips, press the Windows key plus dot symbol. So now you just need to go to the symbol option. This is the symbol option, and here you can find all the different type of symbols like copyright, registered, and more like Celsius, fan, heat, and every symbol like pi, home symbol, everything is inside this. This is how you just insert the symbols on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.